So Emerson has gotten her jammy shirt stuck on the fan.
Gonna have to.
And now they have a whole physics plan to get it.
The physics plan is the test of this. So I have attached these two together, and I'm thinking if I can do it right, I can probably land it either there or on one of the other ones and spin it around so I can get my jammies safely, or it'll fall over and I just come back down there.
Yeah, they're bungee hooks from the dollar store. I'm just saying, they're not Indiana Jones whips.
They are.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
No.
Okay,
Mom.
let's see you do it.
Test thing. If the fan, if that hits the fan and it messes it up.
You're being a total buzzkill, Tammy.
I know.
Go, Emmy. You can totally not do it.
Be quiet. I can totally do it.
All right, let's see it.
Okay.
Bring it home, Doodle. And then maybe put it on and stop putting it on the fan.
Be quiet.
You be quiet.
If it doesn't work,
Oh,